Hi crafty friends, welcome to the Crafty Seas. We're on a mission this year to craft our stash and use up all those paper pads and crafty supplies that we've been hoarding. Whilst tidying our craft room, we came across this beautiful On Safari A4 decoupage pack from Do Crafts Paper Mania, and we purchased this from a D-stash, so it's already been used and we've used it on a project ourselves. So there was not a lot left of this kit. There's a few sentiments left, a couple of decoupage toppers and one or two sheets of patterned A4 paper. So stick around to the end of the video to see how many things we can create with this leftover kit, and keep your eyes peeled during the video for a sneaky little hidden giveaway. So without further ado, let's get crafting. We've separated all those toppers and die cuts from the sheets and took off the papers from the pad, and we're just using a nail file here to take off any rough edges before we start assembling the decoupage pieces. And to build up our decoupage, we're going to use some 3D Collal glue from Crafter's Companion, and this glue is fantastic for this project and any delicate decoupage or 3D layering projects that you might be doing. It's really easy, quick and simple to use. You can decant it into a syringe and then just squeeze it onto your project and layer it up. And this is really handy for projects that your foam pads might be too big for, or that you might need a lot of foam pads for. This is a lot quicker than having to tear or cut all those little foam squares, and sometimes getting the backing off of the foam pads can be really frustrating. So we found that this a quick, fun and simple way to get that 3D effect on our decoupage layers. The only drawback is it does take a little while to dry, and if you pick your project up before it's dry, you can squish it, which might have happened to us. Have you ever used this 3D gel in your crafting? Let us know down below. So here we have our finished projects, and I think you'll agree we managed to get quite a lot of crafting done from one old craft kit. So we managed to make some bags, tags and some beautiful little note cards. So how many exactly did we make? Let's find out. So luckily we found some papers that we could use for envelopes for our note cards, and for the card bases themselves we had this lovely pink pearly card base that we had purchased at the Crate and Craft show, I think last year. So we die cut out this scalloped edge circle die with the papers that we had left in the pad, and we used our decoupage toppers on top of these circles, and we've used some of the ephemera inside the card as well. And as you can see, the gel's dried really nicely here and gives a great 3D effect. And we've used some lovely enamel dots from Violet Studio from our stash that were just a perfect peach shade to coordinate. And we've made some beautiful little note cards here. This one is a birthday card with the beautiful blue bear. And it was great fun challenging ourselves to use this kit, as it's not something we would normally reach for, but we had a great afternoon crafting with it, and we think the animal images are just adorable. And making all these envelopes for the cards helped put a dent in some of our paper pads as well. This one's cute with the onyx there with the hello, and this one's another birthday card. We've just layered up some of the ephemera, and here we've used a scrap of the paper and another little piece of the ephemera on your birthday, and we've used that same ephemera there just to decorate the envelope. And our last little note card here is a cute flamingo with well done and a small little celebrate on the back. And again we've made a matching envelope which we punched the heart corner punch into to give that little detail on the back of all the envelopes. So in total that is eight little note cards that we've managed to make, but we also made some cute little bags as well. So they had in the kit one of these bags left, so we built it all up with the decoupage bear and the happy birthday tag, and used a little bit of peach ribbon from our stash to tie on that tag. And we also upcycled one of these paper lunch bags and used again the scalloped edged nesting dies with this cute zebra image and the best wishes, so we can put some lovely treats into this bag for someone. And next up, we had this pink bag left over from a crafting project a long time ago, and we never quite found anything to put on it, but this pink whale was just perfect. And we had some small pieces of ephemera left from the kit, like this cute treat yourself decoupage turtle. So we've mounted him onto this tag, put an eyelet in it, and used some string that we had left over in our stash from Halloween. And we've continued to make tags with the leftover ephemera. Here we have some cute rabbit ones, a thank you, and we had these tags just in our scrap tag box, so not only did we get to use some papers, the decoupage kit, but we also got to use some pre-made tags that we had in our stash. And we also hope that this gives you the inspiration to dig out some of those paper pads or craft kits that have been lurking about the corners of your craft room and get crafting with them. So here's a beautiful tag that we've made with one of the toppers. We've mounted the paper, and on the back one of the sentiments with the to and from. We've used a lovely ink from our stash, a cracked pistachio, to colour the tag in and distress the edges. And again we've used those enamel dots and our baker's twine. And last but not least, we have this beautiful happy birthday tag with the cool zebra all layered up with our silicone gel with the eyelet, and again distress oxide on the back and the leftover pieces of ephemera. So not bad, we made 8 cards, 3 bags and a heck of a lot of tags, all from one leftover decoupage paper pad that we had in our Crafty stash. Now, it's time for a giveaway. It's a giveaway alert. Thank you so much for watching today, and as a token of our appreciation, we are giving one lucky viewer the chance to win this On Safari topper set, sentiment set, and there's 2 sheets in here with all the lovely images that we've been crafting with today. And as well as this, you will also win this beautiful pack of tags, and this is again the On Safari die cut tags, and they've got lovely elephants and giraffes and llamas, and it comes with the twine. And also we are giving you the chance to win this very special notepad. And what makes this notepad special? Well, it's made from poop. Yep, you heard me right. This is a handcrafted notebook made from pachyderm paper. It's 100% original elephant dung paper, and this is a lovely unlined notebook that you can write all your crafty notes in or make some beautiful crafty sketches. And to win this prize, all you have to do is like today's video, be a subscriber, and put the word Safari in your comment. That's Safari, S-A-F-A-R-I. Remember to put the hidden word in, and good luck everyone. Full details will be linked in the description box below. A huge thank you everyone for watching today. I hope you've enjoyed our makes. Please like the video, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified the next time we make a video. A huge thank you from myself, Ashley, and Maureen for watching today. We really appreciate you, and until next time, happy crafting!